Hello, my name is Scott Palermo.
And I'm James Sanek, and we're with Harcourt's Desert Homes in Palm Springs, California.
Welcome to one of our newest luxury listings at 527 Mesquite Hills in Palm Desert, California, located in the world-renowned guard-gated Bighorn Golf Club. Uniting the old world with the new, this masterpiece is Bighorn Golf Club at its finest. We are about to show you the pinnacle of desert luxury living.
This property, with its hand-carved, reclaimed wood, abundance of stonework, and warm ambiance would rival some of the most exclusive Italian estates. This architectural jewel brilliantly unites the old-world style with modern, state-of-the-art amenities.
The outdoor space is magical, with a saltwater lagoon pool, waterfalls, and 2 private spas.
Most homes are built for what you need. This architectural masterpiece was built for what you want. This meticulously designed estate is one of the most remarkable properties at Bighorn Golf Club.